around town a little bit. I hate these speed bumps because my bike does not have a good clearance on them. So we're going this way. Here's the yellow Buell Blast that we always see around town, but never see who's riding it. And my eventual goal is 2 a week, like a Sunday, Wednesday, or something as upload dates. But I'm not totally sure. But I mean, if I get more and more content, I'll probably catalog some of it for like if there's like a week of bad weather and I can't record anything, so that I still have backup footage. But right now the goal is 1 every 2 weeks, and then eventually do 1 a week maybe by the end of summer, and then by the beginning of next riding season the goal is to have full set of gear, newer bike, and bi-weekly videos. I'm not even like actively trying to have this be like an anonymous channel like some moto vloggers do. Like, they don't want their identity shown, they don't use their real name and their like vlogger name. But I don't know, I don't really care much about that. I just really probably won't get in front of the camera for a while because I don't really feel like it. Here's campus. If you hadn't been able to tell already, I live in Lawrence for the time being. I just graduated from KU in December, but still live in town since I graduated halfway through a regular standard school year. My lease goes till August, but yeah, I've just been kind of hanging out in town, working. I haven't gotten like a full-time job that's related to my degree yet, but that's kind of why I started doing this moto vlog thing. I needed a hobby to kill time until I have a full-time job, but by no means do I plan on stopping once I have a full-time job. I'll honestly probably do it more because I'll be able to quickly afford more toys, like a better camera, better microphone setup, better helmet, better bike, better gear, all that good stuff. So even if I'm working 40 hours a week, I'll still have plenty of free time to record moto vlogs, and I'll just generally be more willing to invest into it, buy better editing software, because right now I don't even have my own. I'm using a friend's computer to edit videos and learn it, but that's on my list of things to do soon. But I'll get to it eventually for sure.